get started replacing this, what we're going to notice is you have your gas pedal rod that comes down along here. It's going to essentially come along through here, through the back side, and then it'll come out. And then on this side, closest to me, I'm going to see a little round clip with some ears on it. That clip needs to come straight off of this shaft, and then once you get it off, we should be able to weasel this off. Just keep in mind that there is going to be a spring that's going to be involved, but it's not anything that you have to worry about. Just going to come right underneath that clip, in between the pedal itself and the clip, and I'm going to try to work it off. And I'm going to try not to destroy this because they're not the easiest to find when it comes time to replacing. There it is. We'll set this aside. I'm going to grab onto this pedal. I can wiggle it around. I'm just going to try to force it off of the shaft. Okay. Feels like it's coming along. I'm just going to keep working it back and forth. Now, if you were to look underneath the pad, let's see if I can get this someplace where we can see. You can see the spring. You can see the little hook there. What we need to do is get this whole thing to work its way off of there. So I'm just going to press this back in, grab this spring, pull it down and around that shaft. And now I'm going to continue on by sliding off this pedal, just like that. Now we're going to transfer this directly over to our new one. So we're just going to set our spring, so the little ears sitting up over the top of that area. Just like this. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to start sliding it through. I'm just checking to make sure that the hole's going to line up, and then I'm going to flip this all the way over like that. Slide that straight on like that. Now I'm going to bring it down like this, and underneath I'm feeling the hook for my spring. I'm going to pull that right up and over the rod, and now you just want to push and make sure the spring's functioning as it should. So now we're going to take our clip. You're going to notice you have a concave side, the side that goes in, then you have the side that comes out a little bit. Put this right on the socket like that. A 10mm fits perfectly. And now we're just going to slide it right over the shaft, and that should lock it in. Give that a nice tug. That looks perfect.